people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status, and to opportunity, and to promote among them all. Fraternity, assuming the dignity of the religion, and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind.